What is 3D printing? 3D printing technology uses a 3D printer to create things. The objects are three-dimensional. A glass, for example, has width, height, and depth, and is a three-dimensional object. 3D printing is a type of additive manufacturing. This means that you make things by repeatedly adding bits or layers until you have the finished product. 3D printing adds layer upon layer. 3D printing or additive manufacturing contrasts with subtractive manufacturing. Subtractive manufacturing starts with, for example, a block of metal. You then chip away at the block until you have the finished product. With 3D printing or additive manufacturing, you begin with nothing and end up with something. With subtractive manufacturing, you begin with something and end up with the same thing but less of it. Here you can see a 3D printer adding layer upon layer. The 3D printer was created by PUC Rio's design labs in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. There are literally hundreds of promising applications for 3D printing. Experts predict that it will transform many industries. They also believe it will have a major impact on our future lifestyles. Thank you for watching this Market Business News video on 3D printing.